What's the best way to organize a huge file folder system? Are you feeling overwhelmed by a mountain of digital files? You are not alone. Many people struggle with keeping their file folders organized. Let's break down the best way to tackle this challenge. First, start by creating a logical and hierarchical folder structure. Think of this as building a tree. At the top, you have a master folder that represents broad categories of your work. For example, you might have main folders labeled finance, marketing, and projects. Inside each of these, create subfolders that narrow down the contents. For instance, under projects, you could have subfolders for each client or campaign. This setup makes it easier to find what you need quickly. Next, focus on naming conventions. Use consistent and descriptive names for both folders and files. This means avoiding vague names like Document 1 or Miscellaneous. Instead, opt for names that clearly describe the content. Including dates in your file names can also help. For example, using the format year-month-day can assist in sorting files chronologically. If you find that a folder contains many files, consider creating subfolders within it. A good rule of thumb is to create subfolders if you have more than 20 to 30 files in one location. You can group related files together, such as separating drafts from final versions. This reduces clutter and makes it easier to track the status of your documents. Another tip is to use shortcuts or favorites for folders you access frequently. Adding these to your File Explorer sidebar or desktop allows for quick access. This is particularly useful for ongoing projects or resources you use often. Automation can also be a game changer. Consider using software tools that automatically sort incoming files based on rules you set. For example, programs like Hazel for Mac or Dropit for Windows can help manage your files without constant manual effort. Regular maintenance is key. Set aside time each month or quarter to review your files. Delete unnecessary documents and archive older files to keep your system from becoming overwhelming. This practice ensures that your active files remain as easy to find. If your operating system supports it, think about using tags or metadata. Tags allow you to label files across different folders by themes or projects. This feature enables quick searches without relying solely on where the files are stored. By following these steps, you can create a file folder system that works for you. A well-organized system saves time and reduces frustration when searching for documents. The goal is to design a system that fits your workflow and stick to it consistently. With a little effort, you can transform your file management into a smooth and efficient process.